Namaste and welcome everyone. I'm Ishanya and I hope you all are doing great. For today's video, I have 4 really cool party outfits for 2020 for you. I hope you enjoy this video and let's start. So for this look, I've grabbed this ultra glittery jumpsuit which is perfect for the party season. Paired it with a pair of silver tassel earrings to keep it minimal, and that's it. Jumpsuits are extremely versatile pieces and dressing them up is also very easy. Definitely give it a try. On to my favorite, ethnic. I've chosen an all black base and for a pop of color, I'm grabbing a dupatta and pinning it together this way. Just follow what I'm doing in the video and you'll get the idea. Grab a belt to give a little shape to your silhouette. Also, here's a quick hack. If your belt doesn't have any loops to secure the loose end, keep it in place using double-sided tape. It'll be secure and won't move. To bring it together, top it over with a bracelet, a ring, and a bag for a more cohesive look. And while it took us literally 2 minutes to put this look together, it looks like we worked so hard on planning this one. Absolutely love it. The second look has a bit of subtle bling going on. I've paired this satin top with a faux leather skirt, and leather skirts are, without a doubt, the most effortless and chic pieces you will ever invest in. Want to elevate a basic AF outfit or want to stand out of the crowd? Faux leather is your answer. Also, satin tops add just the right amount of elegance to the overall appearance in this look, and that's just what I was aiming for. They add so much more shine and class to your appearance and for some reason make me want to straighten my back and walk around in heels. Leather on leather? Yes, please. I've wrapped a scarf as a top here, one of my favorite DIYs to try out, and retained the skirt. Topped it over with a faux leather biker jacket and boom. I can't get over the badass vibe this look has. It makes me want to totally vibe to a Billie Eilish song. So those were the 4 looks, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and before you go, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below your favorite look. Connect with me on my social media and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!